Good morning, students. As we have started this chapter, English Grammar, first chapter, that is words and sentences. So we will continue with this chapter. We have done the first exercise, that is look at the picture, read the clues and fill in the blanks. So we have done all these. Next we will move on to B exercise. That is, read each group of words, color the box blue if it is a sentence. So we have to find out where is a sentence. So as we have learned that what is a sentence? Sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop with having a complete sense. So until unless we are having a complete sense, we cannot say that it is a sentence. Okay? So let us start the exercise. First sentence, a cartoon am watching I. Here it is written in full stop, but it is making no sense. This sentence is making no sense and it is also not in capital letter. Okay? So this is not a sentence. So we are not going to color this with blue. Okay? Next one, a bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. Here also we are not saying any sentence. We are not starting with capital letter or ending with full stop. So here also we cannot find a complete sentence. Next, number 3. You can draw well. Yes, this is a sentence. You can see here it is first letter is capital letter and it is ending with full stop. So you can say this is a sentence and it is giving a complete sense. Okay, you can draw well. That means your drawing is very well. So you will color this in blue. So this one you will color it in blue. Okay, in book you will do it in blue color. Okay, next one. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. So here a sense is making in this sentence. Tomorrow is in capital letter and we are getting full stop also. So this is also a sentence. So here also you will color blue. Okay, children? Next one. A beautiful picture. A beautiful picture. Here you can see a full stop is written, but it is not giving a full sense. It is not in a full sentence. It is not written in capital letter and though it is giving full stop, but it is not in complete sense. So it is not a sentence. Okay? Next one. Joe plays in the park every day. Joe plays in the park every day. So Joe is playing in the park every day. He is going to the park and playing every day. So it is giving a complete sense. And here also you can see the first letter is in capital letter and the ending is in full stop. So this one also you will color blue. Okay, children? Next one. Blue the sky. Here also complete sense is not there, so it is not a sentence. You will not color. Okay. Last one. A cow gives us milk. Here information is there. See, complete sense is there. A cow gives us milk. So from where we get milk? We get milk from cow. So here capital letter is written and full stop is also given. So this is a sentence. So here also you will color blue. So children, you can understand which are the sentence and you will color those boxes with blue color. Okay? Now let us move on. Sentence and questions. Look at this sentence. The sun is yellow. I have many friends. Football is my favorite game. I have 2 eyes. All these are sentence. All these are sentence. You can see the first letter is in capital letter and the ending is in full stop. All these sentences are written in the same way and giving some sense. Okay. These sentences tell us something. A sentence tells us something. It ends with a full stop. So as I have already said that the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay. Now look at this sentence. So those were the sentence of having capital letter and full stop. So those were sentence. Okay, now look these sentences. Why is the sun so hot? Why is the sun so hot? So here the mark you see that here it is given question mark. You can see here it is given question mark. It is questioning. So why is the sun so hot? It is question, not given full stop. You can understand that. How many eyes do you have? It is asking that how many eyes you have. You have 2 eyes, 1 eye, 4 eyes. How many eyes you have? That it is asking. So this is also a question. Okay. So here question is there. What is your favorite game? I think everybody has any favorite games. So the question is, what is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. So what is your favorite game? I don't know. You imagine in yourself. So this is a question. Do you have friends? I think everybody has friend, isn't it? So this is also a question. These sentences ask something. You can understand through this sentence that these are the question asking something. A sentence which asks something is called a question. It always ends with question mark. This always ends with question mark. Okay? Now, let us do the exercises. Read the following. Put a full stop if it is a sentence. Put a question mark if it is a question. So all these sentences are question. Okay. So now let us read and let us do number 1. This is a tall building. So this is a question or a question sentence. See, this is a building. It is telling something. It is not asking anything. So we are supposed to give here full stop. Okay. Next one. Do you like mangoes? It is asking. I think everybody loves mango, isn't it? So do you like mangoes? It is a question. So you will give a question mark. Okay. Next one. It is such a beautiful dress. So see, here is a dress. It is so beautiful. It is, isn't it? So it is telling about the dress. So it is not a question. So we are going to give a full stop. Okay. Next one. There are many flowers in my garden. So it is also saying about the garden that there are many flowers. So it is a sentence. We are going to give a full stop. Are you going on a picnic on Sunday? It is asking that whether you are going to a picnic on Sunday. It is asking, so we are going to give a question mark. Okay. Next, is he going to Shimla? Here also asking about that whether he is going to Shimla or not. So it is also a question. The river is deep here. It is saying about something that the river is very deep. So it is a sentence. We are going to give a full stop. The garland is made of marigold flower. So it is made up of marigold flower. The garland, see here the garland, it is made up of marigold flower. So it is a sentence. It is not asking anything. So we are going to give a full stop. So these are the exercise which we have done, and I hope that you have understood what is a question and what is a sentence, where you have to put a full stop and where you have to put question mark. So this was the video of the first chapter. So I am ending this video over here. I hope you have understood this chapter.